life of the city. But a large part of the income here comes from migrant labor. Men from the northern areas work in Pakistan's large cities and abroad, in the Middle East and in the UK. They work in factories and warehouses as drivers and as guards. They live frugal lives in the city so that their children back home can receive an education. So imagine receiving news of a devastating earthquake when you're miles away from home.
यहाँ मैं कराची में था तो उस वक्त जैसे पता चला कि ज़लज़ला हो गया तो मैं फिर फ़ौरन जैसे गया दूसरे दिन वहाँ पहुँचा.
But that was just the beginning. Many of the men here had to go back to receive the compensation being handed out by the government. Otherwise, there was a good chance that they simply wouldn't get the money due to them.
जो कराची रहते हैं यहाँ से 3 दफ़ा चक्कर लगा लिए 8 दफ़ा फौजी खुद एंट्री करते हैं और एक पर्ची दे देते हैं और पहले कर कहते हैं रिकॉर्ड नहीं है.
But the trip to and from the earthquake-affected areas is a difficult and expensive journey. And many labourers here have spent a lot of time chasing compensation that never came.
1.5 साल वहाँ अपना ज़ाया किया. यहाँ मेरी परमानेंट नौकरी थी, एक होटल में जॉब करता था हवारी टावर में. यहाँ से मेरी नौकरी भी चली गई.
Transparency is a major concern. People feel that they did not receive aid because they couldn't bribe local administrators.
जो नाज़म के बंदे आगे रखे हुए हैं उनको 10,000 रुपये हम देंगे. अगर जो बंदा नहीं देता वो सामने बोल देते हैं भाई इसके नहीं है.
Sabir Hussain is one of those families that just gave up on waiting for government assistance. He and his wife migrated to Karachi after the earthquake, leaving their loved ones and the ruins of their business behind.
वो कारोबार तो हमारा था, मिठाई की दुकान थी, बहुत बड़ी दुकान थी. वो जैसे बाहर निकला तो वापस देखा तो कुछ भी नहीं था, वापस प्रेस हो गया सारा कुछ. 1 मिनट भी नहीं लगा. दुकान का लिखा था लेकिन बोला दुकान का नहीं मिलेगा, घर का मिलेगा. घर का भी नहीं मिला. किधर मिला? 25,000 देते थे वो भी नहीं दिया, 50 देते वो भी नहीं दिया, कुछ भी नहीं दिया.
आज़ाद मुल्क है हमारा, गाँव है ना. यहाँ तो छोटे छोटे मकान हैं, किराया देने में बहुत दिक्कत होती है.
From the land they call heaven to the hard life of the city, migrants displaced by the October 2005 earthquake have received very little compensation by the government. One day they hope that they will have the means to go back home. Iram Haider, Dawn News, Karachi.